got the head spin, and I'm feeling sick. Don't know what I've done, and I feel such a thrill. Can't remember a thing, 'cause my head's not clear. Brain cells circle dead, and my eyes feel like lead. Got the DTs and the shade. Need a stiff drink for my health's sake. Need the hair of the dog to bring me right. The hair of the dog is gonna help me win this fight. Hair of the dog, hope you stay down. Hair of the dog, you're a cruel dog. Hair of the dog, I'm gonna throw you back. Stand clear, 'cause you might come back. Hair of the dog will make you feel fine. Hair of the dog, you're my lifeline. Got some on fire and dry reaching. Body's aching and I feel like I'm dying. Got wanted, wasted and friends. Memory loss is what I hate. Trying to focus my eyes to see. Cause I think someone in bed with me. Relieved to see ecstasy. Maybe I just got lucky. Maybe my lips dismayed. A jumble mess comes out, she thinks I'm afraid. Grabbing her clothes from the floor. He looks back as he goes out the door. Hair of the dog, how it's just you and me. Did I get lucky? Got no memory. Hair of the dog, I hope you stay down. Hair of the dog, you're a cruel eye. Hair of the dog, I'm gonna throw you back. Stand clear, 'cause you might come back. Hair of the dog, you make me feel fine. Hair of the dog, you're my lifeline. Hair of the dog, I'm feeling great, even if I just lost my brain. Hair of the dog, I'm gonna have another one. And hair of the dog, you're a good son of a gun. Even if tomorrow won't be fun, you're still my number one. Hair of the dog, don't cry with me. Hair